How to remove Instagram account from another device. So if you want to remove an Instagram account from another device, then first open up your Instagram application and make sure to log into your account which you would like to remove. Go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go for the upper right, which has that 3 bar icon. Go for settings and privacy, go for the account center, and go for password and security. And here you can simply tap on change password, and you can change your password. Choose Instagram and change your Instagram account password. So enter your current password and then the new password and retype your new password, and then tap on change password. And once you've changed your password, your account will be removed from the other device. But if you don't want to change your password, then what you can do is go back, and then here you will have where you are logged in under your security checks. Tap on that, and here you will have all of the information in which devices you are logged in. Tap on Instagram. So here you will have 2 devices. So if you want to remove any device, then tap on select devices to log out, and then tap on the device in which you would like to remove your account, and then tap on logout, which is on the bottom of your screen, and your account will be removed from the other device or from the selected device. So that's how you can remove your Instagram account from another device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.